Warning: this file is only to be disseminated in the case of an actual SCP-173 containment breach. Dissemination of this file under inappropriate circumstances will result in termination.
If you are seeing this message, you are in danger. Please pay attention to this message. A dangerous anomalous entity known as SCP-173 has breached containment and is now free. SCP-173 is an anomalous creature in the shape of humanoid with a spray-painted face. SCP-173, when not in sight, will approach at extreme speed and will snap the nearest human's neck. However, SCP-173 will only move if it is out of sight. Please stay indoors until said otherwise. If you see SCP-173, please do not look away, nor blink. SCP-173 will be recontained. This message will appear every hour. Please pay attention to this message. If you are hearing this message, then the anomalous entity SCP-173 has been recontained. It is now safe for you to leave. Before doing anything else, please stare at this image.